We're currently staying in the Forget-Me-Not Beach Hotel. It's a little hotel across the street from the beach in Hua Hin, and it is just above the Hua Hin Vegan Cafe. Now, Ann and I used to come here. Little did we know that at some point we would be staying in a hotel that was upstairs. We had no idea there was a hotel upstairs. But today we're going to walk across the street and go to the beach. There are several different alleyways that we could take to get to the beach quickly, but I'm going to walk down the main beach road. So this way you can see what the beach road looks like. Okay, so we're walking down towards Beach Road now, and I want to tell you a little about Hua Hin. It's about 3 hours drive from Bangkok. You can take the train, but we found that it was definitely faster and pretty inexpensive just to take a car. Hua Hin is, for those of you who don't know, is what I would call a beach town. We've been coming here for about 3 years now, and the amount of expats here to locals seems to have grown tremendously over the last 3 years. Anyway, that's a little info on Hua Hin. Now we're going to head to the beach road. Okay, this is not officially called Beach Road, but that's what I call it because it leads directly to the beach and it has a bunch of vendors on the way. Motorcycle rental. Today is a little cool. It's about 75. Normally it's about 85 plus this time of year. For the next 10 days, it's going to be bright sun and in the mid to high 80s. Muay Thai is big here, obviously. I plan to see a few fights while I'm here this time. There's a local artist that does these drawings and paintings all over with these eyes. The eye is the main focus of his drawings, and you'll see them all over. Okay, we're heading down to the beach. It's a little breezy today. Supposedly it's going to be breezy for an hour. And it does look like the tide is coming in. So we may not have that much room to walk. Down at the end of this road, they always have horses for rent. So you can ride on the beach. One of the things you do have to watch out for on this beach is horse poop. They do a pretty good job cleaning it up, but it's not the best, so you do have to keep an eye out. It's pretty wild out there right now. Normally, there are tons of people on the beach, but today, again, because of the temperature, 75 degrees and windy, it's too dangerous to be out in the water and too cold for most of the locals. But I just want to give you a view of this beach. Now, I live in Florida, and outside of Florida, I have traveled extensively. Outside of Florida, it's hard to find really good beaches compared to what I'm used to. But this beach on a sunny day is just magnificent. I want to give you a view of how long this beach is as soon as we go around this corner. There are a few crazy people in the water. Okay, it's super windy. There's not much more I can show you because the tide's coming in. And it's basically going to block off the beach for a few hours. We'll be back over the next few days and we'll get some more footage of this beach when it's full of people and when there's sun out. So stay tuned and don't go away. Hang on. I'm going to add some more to this video. Okay, as promised, here's some footage from the next day. The sky's a little bluer. It's still pretty windy out, but there's more people on the beach, and there's a lot more windsurfers. I don't know if the tide is going in or going out, but it's giving us enough space on the beach to do this walk.